Hello and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect or scan any Wi-Fi without using any password. First of all, these are two devices, one is connected, one is not connected. So we need to connect the other one from the other one. So I'll go to the phone. I'm having the phone that is already connected. I'm going to click on the Wi-Fi. As you can see, my Wi-Fi is connected. I'll click on the settings button. There you can see the details about the Wi-Fi. Then on the left side, you can see the QR code. I'll click on it. There you can see my QR code. I'll go into the other phone. I'll click on the Wi-Fi. There is my Wi-Fi, but my Wi-Fi is not connected. So I need to connect it. I'll tap on it. When I tap on it, it's asking me for the password. But I don't know the password. So I have to figure out another way to access the Wi-Fi. So I'm going to cancel. I'll click on the scan QR code. There you can see the scanning has popped up on my screen. I'll move the other phone that has already been connected to the Wi-Fi and place the QR code to the scanning area of my other phone. There it is scanning my phone. Make sure you place it properly to scan it. As you can see, it's obtaining the IP address and my Wi-Fi is connected. You can also share with your friends. So click on the quick share. Click on the QR code. You can also copy the URL to share with your friends, and they will be able to access the URL and scan it and be connected to the Wi-Fi. I thank you for watching. I hope the video was educative to you. Subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in our next video.